Creating this super simple brown winged eyeliner look today. I'm starting out with the Milani Call Me Old Fashioned Gilded Mini Eyeshadow Palette, starting with that white shade on the left side with an Omnia BOM-416 brush, using that same brush and that champagne shade in the palette, applying that all over the lid, bringing it up above the crease into the outer corner, and then I'm using little feathering motions on the top edge to soften the edges just so we don't have any hard lines. With the Milani Stay Put Tank Eyeliner in shade 120 Brown, I'm mapping out my wing. I'm following the upward slope of my lower lash line as if it were to keep going, and then swooping that line back down to the lash line, and then I'm just cleaning it up using little tiny swiping motions to clean it up as I go, because I usually never get it perfect the first time. I'm just slowly filling it in, taking my time. And then I'm going to use the same liner to add a little inner corner wing following the angles of my eye. Then using the brown eyeshadow from the palette, I'm using the Omnia BOM-515 for this. I'm first kind of packing it on top of the liner and then smoking out that top edge just to perfect everything so nothing's too harsh. I'm using little wiggling motions with the brush. If you want, you could totally go in with a bigger brush to blend this out further if you want more of a smoky look. I am going to go in with concealer on the outer portion of the wing just to clean it up. I'm using an e.l.f. concealer brush here. And then with that same 515 brush, I'm applying that brown tight to the lower lashes down below. And then I'm going to tightline the upper waterline with the Stila Stay All Day Smudge and Set Liner in shade Damsel Dark Brown. Curl my lashes, apply mascara, and a couple individual falsies in the outer corner. And that completes the look. Be sure to subscribe down below, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.